Some of the reason why we are not walking that way might be the little sins that have crept in our lives. And listen, if we continue to allow them to creep into our lives, we are going to enter into wilderness. A new job, a new city, a fresh start will not help you. Only repentance will. Don't play with sin. Don't play a game with sin. Because if you play a game with sin, then one day you will enter into wilderness. Your life, your testimony will be nothing. I pray to God that we as God's children live a faithful life for God's honor and His glory.